Ahoy, little Argonauts! Let's sail together through the alphabet sea. Every letter is a new island, full of fun, words, and sounds. Ready? Anchors away.
A is for apple, ant, and airplane. Can you say A? Apple. Great job. B is for ball, bear, and banana. Ball. Bounce with me. C is for cat, car, and cupcake. Cat. Meow. D is for dog, duck, and drum. Drum. Boom, boom. E is for elephant, egg, and ear. Elephant. F is for fish, flower, and frog. Can you say frog? G is for giraffe, guitar, and goat. H is for hat, house, and horse. Hat. Put it on your head. I is for ice, insect, and igloo. Ice. Cold. J is for juice, jump, and jellyfish. Juice. Yummy. K is for kite, koala, and key. Can you say kite? Fly high in the sky. L is for lion, leaf, and lemon. Lion. M is for moon, monkey, and milk. Moon, shine bright. N is for nest, nose, and nut. Nest. O is for octopus, orange, and owl. P is for pig, pizza, and pencil. Pizza, yum yum. Q is for queen, quilt, and quail. Queen, bow to the queen. R is for rainbow, rabbit, and robot. Rainbow, look at the colors. S is for sun, snake, and star. Sun, shine bright. T is for tiger, train, and tree. Train. U is for umbrella, unicorn, and up. Can you say umbrella? Don't get wet. V is for violin, van, and volcano. Violin, play a song. W is for whale, watch, and watermelon. Watermelon. Juicy. X is for xylophone, X-ray, and Xerox. Xylophone. Y is for yarn, yawn, and yak. Yarn, so soft. Z is for zebra, zoo, and zipper. Zebra, stripy and fast.
You did it, little Argonauts. We sailed through the whole alphabet sea, from A to Z. Now you know so many words. See you soon for our next adventure. Numbers, stories, and songs. Bye-bye.